How to get wildcards in Monopoly Go. Now, there is no actual tricks or techniques for you to be able to get those specific wildcards. But what you want to do is you'll just have to log in every day, so you will be receiving multiple rewards and options that you can do for you to be able to have those wildcards. Now, just play along the game and even higher up your multiplier up to the maximum, maybe 5 or 10, depending on your current board. So if you will log in every day, you will be able to have a certain amount of rewards, and even wildcards will be included to the rewards that you're currently at right now. Now, for you to be able to check for offers, just simply tap on offer, and you can also check for a specific events that you have. So as you can see, there are a lot of free rewards that Monopoly Go is giving us, and sometimes they are giving us free wildcards so that your multiplier will go up higher to the specific cards. So again, all you have to do is just to play the game every day, log in every day, participate into events, and make sure that you claim all the rewards that the Monopoly Go is given to you. So that's it. That's how you get wildcards in Monopoly Go.